Welcome back to Autocarnerd on this very special occasion where we join me with the 300 bucks BMW, and today is actually the judgment day of this car. This car, Ruzu, is going to the car inspection, and let's see if her 20-year-old ass will be able to pass inspection. For you guys who haven't seen the previous video, I went and bought this car for 300 bucks, and what I did, only thing I changed on this car was brake all around, and let's see if it passed inspection. The previous owner changed also quite a lot of parts on it, so I think in parts it's probably worth more than the entire fucking car. I mean, look at it, 300 fucking bucks. Look at it. Look how magnificent it looks. I mean, this one is like 100 and I don't know how many percent more. If you divide like this car is like 4 grand, so 300 bucks is like, you see the mirror and you see this thing, there you go, you can buy a entire car for that. So, but let's see if it's passed inspections, and I'm really hoping it does. There has been attempted murder in Ruzu. What happened? No one will ever know. Ruzu will take this to the grave. Come on, Ruzu. I believe in you, Ruzu. Don't let me down, Ruzu. Don't let me down. The automatic whistle sound when you accelerate is a safety feature of the BMW 369. One thing I did not know about this car is actually a 1.9 liter engine, which I guess it's better, it's more powerful. Like I said, judgment day, here we go. Here is the people who are gonna judge this car. And let's hope for the best. It actually, to be honest, it almost made it, almost. The only thing I need to change is the brake wire for the rear brakes. That's it. Other than that, this car has almost a clean MOT, which is really impressive. 300 bucks. This is really professional setup right here. Look at this. Snyggt jobbat där, Rickard. Tur att ingen kommer se detta bara. So while the mechanic is working on the car, we are gonna go and buy some parts. We're gonna buy the part we need to get the car finished. And then after that, it's time for massive drifts with the massive 100 horsepower BMW 316 Incredible from 1999. On to Biltema. This is the last fucking part I need to get the car done. And I'm finished. Ooh, nice Audi. It's actually the same mechanic who fixed the Mercedes-Benz AMG, so the BMW Compact is in good hands. Test number 2, getting the car passed through inspection. Got the mechanic working on it. I'm 120 Swedish crowns poorer, and onto the inspection guy. He's gonna be so happy right now when I come in this car and show him, look how beautiful the car is right now. You can't fault it. It's perfect. It's like factory new. This time I'm not gonna fail. Buzu is not gonna let me down, and I'm going to drive away, and mission is gonna be complete by the end of the day, successfully. Hear that? Uppus bilprovning. Come on, Buzu, I believe in you. It's done, it's complete, it is finished. The car has gone through the MOT and has the check mark, and I'm extremely happy for that. And now it's starting to snow. It's minus 05, which means it's gonna be snow soon, and that means we're gonna drift, because that's what you do when you have a 360 compact. Oh, 360 compact. Look at this. Look. I love this car. Filma nu när jag knullar den bilen.
Filma när jag knullar den här bilen.
Messi.
One wheel. Ah, I have to turn the ESP off.
Så du är nog andra väldigt osäkra.
Jag hade också varit osäker för fan. Trea. Jag älskar att det visslar när du gasar. Alltså vilken bil. Vi kan lägga upp den.
Det finns...
Nej, du måste kasta. Så du är trött.
Den går sjukt bra för mig, 360.
Den är trött i allmänhet.
Närmare.
Lite för mycket där. So the car just passed inspection and it's ready for the winter of 2018 and 19. Han går ju fint, ja.